Pulit BSF kila pelong ye ke program Pynmyllen ye ki Khynnah Skul bat ikipai ba kathan balat Southwest Khasi Hills da ke bapin ika ye ki suloi kitup bat bonjat ki tiar yada bat ki tiar ye kun persya e ki nongshun na Shillong Khappud ki ba persyang ban rungtu she India. Ye kini ke program le pelong ha Barman Bari Border Outpost da ke BSF 193 Battalion ha ke balepli de Rajiv Kumar Commandant ha khamat ki pai ba ki Khynnah Skul bat ki perton BSF. Hakini ke program la ailat ye ki Khynnah Skul Shnong bat kintei ban keta bat persyang siat ye kini ke suloi jong ke PSF. Kini ke program ke lepli ke jengmat jeng berkat jong ki Khynnah Skul na ki Shnong Khappud. Don na pedeng jong ki kila yok mensim bat kila angnut ban rung she kini ke perton ya dari enda kila kenjok kerta. Da kawi kesur ki pat pak kila penpau ke jeng sngongu ye ki BSF ki bala ailat ye ki ban keta dala ki jong ki kti ye ki tiar ya da Khappud.
Bangladesh's struggle for independence and the subsequent liberation war, resulting in the emergence of a new nation. During the Kargil War in the year 1999, Border Security Force remained deployed in key locations along the line of control. The border with Pakistan passes through difficult geographical areas, passing through the snow-capped Gangetic peaks of Kashmir, the inaccessible mountains of the Punjab, the vast plains of Punjab, the inhospitable Thar Desert, the inaccessible and vast marshy areas of Kutch, and the extreme weather.